Hey guys, I'll show you how to make a vending machine like this inside your private world, community world, or wilds. I don't know, any type. It's also functional. Let's begin the video. Okay, so these are basically all the blocks you need in order to build this vending machine. You don't really need to use a 1x1 block. You can just use bigger blocks, but if you're poor, then you could just use this. So let's start building it. So what you want to do is you want to place this button down like anywhere. Just place on the floor and the wire input it. And after that, you can just place like this. Just like use any big block just to showcase this. So you're gonna need to be able to place two of these down. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna use 4 of these, and if you wanna like, okay, you're gonna need paint, like, you're gonna need paint in order to do like multiple of these, because of the input and outputters. So you're gonna place your outputters on each one of these with different colors. Make sure they're all different colors. What I forgot to mention that you also need, like, you don't really need these blocks, but you can also use grass in your build in order to like show the frame if you want. So I'm just gonna build the outside frame to hide all of these blocks. Okay, so here is our vending machine. You can like just, I'm gonna fix something up real quick. Okay, so here's our thing. You know, so now we have to add the rest of all of the buttons in, for these. So let me just try to speed this up. So I think now I'm gonna just color them up. Or just any type of material, really. Now you can add in any objects you want. Let's say I want to add in, like, just let's say I'm making a PvP map. Let's add a bat, gun, a party gun, and a butt jump. This might be a little problem with this, which sometimes the items can get caught. Oh, I think I did something wrong. Oh, look at butt jump. There might be a little problem with this, which is like that sometimes the items could just get stuck, or they could just go randomly outwards. So you could just add like glass barrier, or if your items keep getting stuck, just add a taller roof. And yeah, it's pretty simple to make. So you can even make it like super tall, like a catastrophe. You can even use like wires, like just regular wires, no transmitters required whatsoever. But it's gonna be harder. So yeah, that's how you make a vending machine. Bye.